We're going to start with 5. Have a rest of your own choosing. Try and finish them within the next 5 minutes. Done. So, have a few seconds. Standard press up position, no difference. Once it's only 5, just rest. Again, these aren't designed to be crazy heavy circuits. Your body's still adjusting to being woken up. 4. Try and maintain nice tension through the press up. So you're not just collapsing on the arms, you're not sneaking up. It's just nice tension and a nice timing. 3. So again, some of the exercises I do, like that press up set, as the reps get lower, I start to I start doing them slower. This just creates more tension on the muscle. Greater tension on the muscle, better development. There's something called time under tension, which is the contraction of the muscle followed by the eccentric movement and the contraction. You can go quick up and come down slowly, or if you use like a band, you can come up with full weight, pause and down again. So you get a much greater muscular tear. Last one. Good. That's all it is. That's all it is. Just put a bit of weight on the shoulders, a bit of weight in the chest, a bit of weight in the arms, a bit of weight in the core. Okay. Abdominal crunch. Feet flat. Simple movement again, just coming up. Fingertips just crowning the knees. And 5. Go. In the top position, make sure you have a small, can't speak this morning. In the top position, make sure you have an extra second of enjoyment. So just take that second in the top to create, again, more tension. And these are just exercises just to brace the body, get the body warm for the day. That's all. Okay. 3. You can lie down, sit up, entirely up to you. Last 2 rounds. 2. Again, increasing that pause hold, holding tension in the top position for a second or 2 longer, giving you a little bit more work. Last one. Well done, guys. Standing up. So I'm going to finish off now with squats. Same routine, 5 down to 1. Increase tension in the bottom position. Get it? Bottom position. Ah! You guys. Nice strong stance on the squats. Have your feet just wide on hips but no wider than your own shoulders. Weight over the heels with a bump. Drop and rise. Thrust the hips forwards as you come up. Arms to the front if you need to balance. Down by your sides, in your ears. Doesn't make a lot of point difference. But the favoured position is hands out to the front. That's it. 4. A lot less recovery for these because your legs generally big and strong. So your recovery time can be a bit less. Want to give them a little shake. 3. Again, increasing that pause in the bottom position to get more tension in the muscle. That's all it's got to be. 2. And last one.